Content teams love asking, "What should we write next?" And content strategists often answer with a very confident shrug. Well, not anymore. You can use your performance in AI search to give you a very specific answer. But first, you need to ask yourself the right question. Alicia, our AEO team lead, is meeting with her content team tomorrow. She needs to come with a prioritized plan, not vibes, not guesses, data. She starts here. These 3 KPI cards control the diagnostic lens for the entire view, and choosing the right one depends on which problem she's actually solving. If the question is my brand even showing up in AI conversations? That's a brand mentions problem. Low mentions usually means she needs to create new content. Her brand simply isn't part of the conversation yet. But if the question is AI treating my content as an authoritative source worth linking to? That's a citations problem. Low citations with decent mentions mean she has presence but not credibility. The fix there is often optimizing existing content. Today, Alicia suspects she has an awareness gap with a specific audience, so she starts with brand mentions. The personas and intent heat map shows her brand mention coverage at every intersection of a tracked persona and search intent. Dark cells mean strong coverage. Light cells, that's where her brand is invisible. She spots it. First-time mattress buyers with education intent, a key customer segment researching at a critical stage of the buying journey, and her brand barely shows up. Topic coverage adds more context. Lighter tiles means weaker coverage, and the size of each tile reflects how many prompts are tracked there. The bigger and lighter the tile, the bigger the opportunity. She notes a priority topic with lighter shading and clicks her target persona and intent combo to explore related prompts. Here, she can see precisely where she's invisible and what's filling that space instead. To turn her diagnosis into an action list, she filters by the topic she flagged, then filters for prompts where she's not mentioned. Real questions, real audience, zero brand presence. That's her new content target, validated by data, not guesswork. Analyze the current AI response for any prompt and head straight into Writing Assistant directly from this view. Focused on building authority and traffic? Same workflow, different lens. Alicia switches to citations. Cited pages shows which URLs are earning authority. Our current strengths can tell us a lot about which strategies are working. The heat map here shows an intent stage that's underperforming comparatively, and the tree map shows a priority topic with lagging citation performance. She clicks to see those topics' prompts, filters for recommendations intent, and drills down to the prompts where she's not cited. She finds an interesting prompt and uses the 3 dots to head into Writing Assistant, adding a relevant page from her website to optimize. 2 workflows, 1 tab. Pick your lens, find your gap, build your content calendar. The Your Performance tab turns "What should we create?" from a brainstorming session into a diagnostic one.